This is Terry from Midwest Auto Care. Today we're working on a 2015 Subaru XV Crosstrek. We're not only changing the air filter, but we're also going to change the cabin air filter. It should be replaced every time you replace the air filter. On this Crosstrek, the cabin filter is located behind the glove box. So you need to lower the glove box down, and then on the side here there's a strut. You can just push it in and pull that piece out to release that so the glove box will come down. Also, on each end of the glove box, over here on the right and on the left, you need to push in on both those on each side, and when you do that, you can lower the glove box down. Now with the glove box down, you'll see right here is where the cabin filter is located. Right where it says push, you're going to push that together there, and then push on this side, and that cabin filter will pull right out. And as you can see on this vehicle, it definitely needed to be replaced. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.